Hello, this question is for 15 through 20 in your level 3 questions in your packet. So, this time I'm giving you the graph and I want you to make the equation. So how are we going to do that? I still need to know my two most important values. I need to know my slope, in other words, my change, and I need to know my y-intercept, in other words, my starting value. And if I can find those two things, I can make my equation. So the easier thing to find, I think, is the y-intercept. So look on your y-axis and look at where do you cross your line. And so it looks like we went down 1, 2, 3. So that means our y-intercept was at -3 on the y-axis. Now, to find slope, I need to count rise over run. And to do that, I need another good, nice point. So I have this point right here. I also need to find another good point on the line. So that could possibly be this one. And if I can find two nice points, I can count rise over run pretty easily. I like to draw a triangle to help me kind of visualize that a little bit. So I went up 2, so that's going to be my rise. And I went over 1, so that's going to be my run. So my slope is 2 over 1. If you wanted to make that a little bit smaller, you can just make that a 2. Now keep in mind, if you happen to go down in your triangle, that would be -2. Or if you go to the left, that will be -1. So it just depends on your point of view and how you're kind of drawing your triangle, if it's a positive or a negative. Okay? So if we have the slope and the starting value, we can make our equation pretty easily. We're just going to go back to our normal equation we've been using this whole time, f of 0. And what we're going to do is we're going to take out the two values that can be changed, the change in the starting value. So if I take those out and I insert the ones from my equation, this one is going to be the slope or the change, so that's going to go here. And this one is my starting value, so that's going to go at the end. So there is my equation. Go ahead and practice 15 through 20.